Departing from the ramp, crossing runway 5, 81 Quebec. Okay, we ready? I'll take your no answer as a yes, and we're leaving anyway. So right away here, we leave the airport. We're over the FAU campus. Here you've got the nice new stadium on the left. With the rain, it makes it kind of hard to see the horizon. You kind of sort of make out downtown Fort Lauderdale, a clump of buildings inland there. Neighborhood off to the left here is Lighthouse Point. You can see it's got quite a bit of water going through it from all the intercoastal canals and finger piers and stuff. Hillsborough Inlet, Hillsborough Lighthouse on the point. As we come around the lighthouse here, right where this white water's breaking, that's the reef underneath it. See some of it out of the water there. There again, the lighthouse on the point. This is the Hillsborough Mile here, these real nice mansions. The one under construction is the most expensive listing in the United States. Here's Deerfield Beach, marked by these sea breakers. You can still see there's a couple people out on the beach, regardless of the rain. Deerfield fishing pier sticking out in the water in front of us. Here, as we come back inland, that white building with the green windows, little short one, has rooftop swimming pools on it. Pretty cool looking. Just on our right is the Boca Raton Inlet there. Some surfers sitting out on the edge of it. Leads right into Lake Boca, that square body of water. Big pink tower with the pink buildings underneath it and the golf course, all part of the Boca Resort. So that's Meisner Park just on the left there. You can see the amphitheater on this end, the palm trees running down the middle of it. And you notice here we're coming back into the airport, runway in front of us. We're kind of coming into it sideways, or across the runway, because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. Everybody enjoy it? Good.